How to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. So let's get started. To transfer contacts from Android to iPhone, AnyTrans is the highly recommended app. It is a full-way iPhone iPad data transferring tool including Android to iPhone, iPhone to iPhone, and iPhone to computer effortlessly. Now firstly, download and install AnyTrans on your computer. Then run AnyTrans on your PC or Mac computer and choose phone switcher and phone to iPhone. Then connect both Android and iPhone with it and confirm the Android phone as the source phone and click the next button to scan Android. Now, all you have to do is all the content that is able to transfer to iPhone will be displayed. Simply choose contacts out of it and click the next button to start the transferring process. The time it spends depends on the number of your contacts. Please wait patiently and do not unplug your Android and iPhone during this process. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.